Hey everyone, Hansshow here from Hansshow.com, and in my last Tesla video you saw me install a set of lower bumper tailbone lights from Hansshow technology. Well, in this video I have another product from Hansshow technology. It's floor mats for the Tesla Model Y. Floor mats and trunk liners. So let's unbox it and check it out. They came in two big manila envelopes. So in here we have, these are basically custom fitted floor mats. They go onto the front seats and the back seats of the Tesla Model Y, and they're form fitting, made of some polymer material with a grippy back so it grips onto the carpet, and a kind of a smooth texture front. Yeah, and as you can see, it doesn't look very form fitting right now. Like it came and you can see it kind of deformed really. So let's check this one. Yeah, that's kind of deformed as well. So these are for the driver, passenger side. What else do we have here? And this is for the back seat. So, and as you can see, it's it's not flat. It's not flat, but we can fix that. It's actually a very, very easy fix. So front seat, back seat, and then here these are the cargo liners. So this is the liner for the front. So that goes right in there and helps protect the front carpeting. And then we have here actually, my mistake. I believe, well, these are for the front and the trunk. Not exactly sure. We'll find out which one's which. And lastly, you got this big one here. Oh, look at this. Wow. All right. This is for the trunk. So this lines the trunk bed. The trunk bed. All right. So as you can see, it ain't flat. It kind of like went to the shape that it was shipped in, so it's folded. So what you got to do before you install it, because obviously you can't install it like this, all you got to do is just leave this in the sun for about half an hour to 1 hour, and it will flatten out. So I think that's what we'll do right now. So we're just gonna leave it here in the sun, and then we'll come back and check on it in an hour and see what happens to it. Hopefully it better flatten out. So let's do that now. Okay, we're just gonna leave this in the sun for an hour and it should flatten out. But while we're doing that, I guess I'll show you one of the advantages of using these mats. It's waterproof or highly water resistant. So, you know, if you get it dirty, basically take the mats out, hose it down, add some soap and water, and then easy to clean, super easy to clean, like that. Leave it in the sun, let it dry, and it's as good as new. All right, so I'm just gonna let it dry and flatten out, and I'll see you guys in an hour. Okay, so an hour has gone by, and as you can see, it's pretty flat now. Yeah, just lay it out in the sun, and it'll flatten out. Then you can put it in the car. So let's do that now. So this is the factory stock mat. Basically, just take it out and just replace it with this. Nice. Straightforward. Put it in there. Oh, wow, look at that. Let's get a closer look at this. So, check it out. You notice that it lines up perfectly. And check out the lip. So, it has a raised lip here. So, in case you spill any liquid onto the mat, you'll protect it because it won't spill out and damage your carpet. Yeah, and that fits perfectly. There's the dead pedal, offers good protection, very easy to clean. And nice non-slip material too, so your foot rests here. Yeah, it looks good. Let's install the rest. Easy. Yeah, as you can see, it lines up pretty well and offers really good protection. Perfect. There we go. Yeah, it's haven't totally flattened yet, but it will in a day or two. And the creases here allows me to open up and access. So it folds in here and I could access to the cubby hole. Look at that. Awesome fit. It even gets the curve down. So curves down here and more flat here. And this is the advantage of the process of making it. They use a 3D scanner and they 3D scan this front, and then they design the liner using the scan. So it fits perfectly. And I said, one of the biggest advantage of having this lip here is in case I, if drinking some water and I accidentally spill some water, this is waterproof. All you gotta do is wipe it down and dry it up. It's good as new, and your carpet is protected. So spill a Coke, spill a soft drink, spill ketchup or whatever, easy cleanup. Okay, so this is the floor mats and trunk liner from Hansshow Technology. Overall, I think it's great, and it's a good way to protect the carpets of your Model Y. If you're like me, accident prone, and you have kids in the back seat, they're eating, drinking and stuff, and they're gonna spill stuff. And odds are, if you have the regular carpet that comes with your Tesla, it's gonna get stained, it's gonna get wet, it's gonna get dirty. You replace it with the Hansshow mats, and yeah. Water resistant, waterproof, easy to clean up, soap and water. The lip liner, anything spills on there, you can spill an entire can of Coca-Cola. It's not going anywhere. Wipe it down, take it off, hose it down, soap and water, let it dry in the sun, put it back in, it's good as new. Links to this product is below this video, and also below this video I have a coupon code that'll get you a nice discount. So you'll save yourself some money. Check below this video for a discount, link directly to Hansshow where you can pick this up along with all the other Tesla products that they sell. And the coupon code is good for everything in the store, not just these mats. So do check them out. Interesting about Hansshow, they're based in Guangzhou, China. And what's unique about that is Guangzhou, China is happen to be where I'm from. My hometown. So it's good to see a successful company from hometown making products for my favorite brand. John Hansshow from johnhansshow.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you guys next time.